In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in iCloud Mail. By the end, you'll know how to quickly clean up your inbox in a web browser, select multiple messages at once, and understand what happens to emails after you delete them so you can manage your mailbox with confidence. First, open a web browser and go to icloud.com/mail. Sign in with your Apple ID if you're not already logged in. Once your mailbox loads, click into the folder you want to tidy up, like Inbox, Sent, or any custom folder you've created. To delete a single message, select it in the list and click the trash icon at the top. You'll see the message disappear from that folder and move to your trash automatically. If you want to delete several messages at once, you don't have to do it one by one. Hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, then click each email you want to remove. When you're ready, click the trash icon to move them all at the same time. This is great for clearing out newsletters, notifications, or old threads you no longer need. When you need a full sweep, use the Select All shortcut. Press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac, and everything in the current folder will be selected. Double check that you're in the correct folder before you do this because the action applies to everything you see in that list. Then click the trash icon to send the entire selection to trash. This can save a lot of time if you're starting fresh or archiving older mail. Now here's what happens behind the scenes. Deleted emails aren't gone right away. They're moved to the trash folder where they remain for 30 days. That grace period is helpful in case you change your mind or deleted something by accident. During those 30 days, the messages continue to sit in trash and won't clutter your other folders. If you're certain you no longer need those messages and want to free up space immediately, you can permanently delete them by emptying trash. Open the trash folder, look for the option to empty trash, and confirm. Keep in mind this action is final. Once you empty trash, those emails are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered, even if you realize later that you needed something. That's all there is to it. Sign in on the web, select what you want to remove, use multi-select or select all to save time, remember the 30-day window in trash, and only empty trash when you're absolutely sure.